Good morning, guys. I actually wasn't sure if I was going to vlog this trip or not, but I've decided I am because why not? We're in Thailand. You can probably tell we've just woken up. I'm looking a little bit puffy. So in Thailand right now, it's about 30 degrees outside, and we woke up to two very sweaty girls. Our heater was on 27 degrees last night. The heater's next to Daisy's bed, so wasn't me. We might try head to the gym after, and then we've got our first first sort of meeting with the others, which is at 12:45. But I'll show you my view. It's absolutely nuts. Look at this. And so we are here with Tarte Cosmetics and Sephora. As you can see, Sephora loves Tarte. So thank you so much to Tarte for bringing us along. This is amazing. They've given us, sorry the room is already a mess. What a surprise, really. But they've given us basically every Tarte product. Jewelry and Polaroids and glasses from Key. They had the whole setup here. Just down at Brekkie having a coffee. Today's got avocado toast. We've had some fresh juices. Showing the rubbish of my fruit. I've got an omelette coming. Just got myself a fresh coconut, some tea.
That's what I always used to do, remember? And you were like, stop zooming.
Don't have anything to say.
Put you on the spot there. Oh my god, it looks so gross.
Oh, ew.
Off camera or on camera?
Daisy got her omelette now. Got some pastries, some fruit and cereal. Out by the pool. Look at that view. Isn't that incredible? Wow.
Hope we're decent.
Oh.
That was a real gamble.
Yeah, that was. I've been naked the whole time.
You know how it is?
You know how it is. I'm gonna grab a palette. I'm using a palette.
Just got an espresso here. Which one?
I think I'm gonna.
Oh, I used that one last night.
The chrome.
I love it.
All the warm colours. Ready to go. Wearing a Tarte lipstick. Literally in all red. We are here at, what's this place called?
It's a bit dark.
I remember.
Escape. Oh, that's really pitch black. We are at Escape right now having lunch with these two legends. Hey! and these legends, they're alright. And Daisy, of course.
The biggest legend of them all.
And we're having not Daisy, a cocktail. It's gonna be lit, it's gonna get a bit funky, it's gonna get a bit fresh, it's gonna get a bit crazy, it's gonna get a bit wild. It's like a rice paper roll, I think, instead. We got our meal. I know, I forgot to vlog. Oh my god!
Yeah, I know. Oh, the mash is so
good. Yeah, truffle mash.
Yeah?
Oh.
Okay. Look.
You did it the wrong way.
We're gonna do.
Yeah. Good one.
Still.
This is a great idea, and then I look at my own.
Look at
Oh,
I feel weird about place. I feel like in Thailand.
Cheers! Same!
fuck. Oh Jesus, it smells
It is a bit orangey, but it's not.
It's a while to get used to it. It's like orange.
Is it too orangey for you?
shit. It's like, it's very
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because you look at it and you're like, that's gonna taste like syrup. But
Yeah,
it's sweet.
that's what I asked.
Oh god.
That's what I asked.
This is the first time I've ever.
And cut. And cut. And piece out. And cut. And cut the film. Cut the film.
Cut the film now. Cut the film.
Yeah, this is really cute. Wow, it's so pretty. It's alive.
Guys, bring another two. I think
Alright, we're fine.
Sam confused for 30 seconds. What's on the menu?
What is on the menu?
Cheers! Wait, do that again.
That was like such a clank. Cheers! We're back on the bus. Day 3? Oh, day 2 I suppose. Day 4. 2. Wow. Day 2 of the trip. We're going to go on a bit of a tour of Bangkok now today. We're going to first stop at a temple, I believe. Anything to say to this? Cut.
Really?
Just cut. Matchy matchy! Always, that's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. I think it's the temple, but it looks like a castle.
Yeah, I think we're going to both actually.
Yeah, I think so. And both of us are absolutely busting for the toilet. So that's not a good time.
And I can't walk because Sam coached me in the gym yesterday.
Good, that's the best pain, I say. The best pain.
Yeah.
When you've worked hard in the gym, it's good pain.
True.
True that.
Cut and cut. A cool 30 degrees.
Cool 35 degrees. The problem is usually when it's 35 at home it's not too bad, but here it's very humid, so you instantly sweat, like no matter what. You just get like,
and there's like no breeze, breeze, like so it's just like
it's humid heat.
It's really dry and
humid
humid.
still heat.
Wait, no, wait, cut.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Ooh.
That's dance.
Mush mush in action. Daisy, the camera woman, features, makes her feature. We're both in our matching sarongs. You killed it, girlfriend, you killed it. Both of you did. I have officially started dripping sweat from my face. Not just like a little bit sweaty, a little bit shiny, like dripping sweat. The temple is beautiful. All of it is amazing. And now we're gonna go get some fresh coconut water and move on to the next destination.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
As you can see, I am at home right now. I just quickly wanted to interject here because I'm going to say goodbye before showing you guys our trip home. I just wanted to thank Tarte so much for bringing me and Daisy along on that trip. It was so short and sweet and lovely, and we had such an incredible time together. And we're feeling very blessed. Daisy got to take a whole heap of makeup home, and so did I. I'm sure some of the products will pop up in the near future in some of my videos for you guys. My lashes on today are from Tarte as well. The red lippy that I was wearing in the video, I can't find it, but it's in my bag somewhere, so I'm going to link that down below for you guys. My current favorite since I've come home palette is this Tartelette Toasted palette. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've used that quite a few times since I've been home. I've only been home a few days, but I got home on the weekend, so I was out and about all weekend, and I just didn't get a chance to show you guys that while we were away because we were there for really like 2 full days, or not even, it was like 1 full day and 2 half days. And I wanted to preface the next scene. We were lucky enough to get to fly first class for the first time, and we didn't know that that was, am I in focus? Yeah, we didn't know that that was going to be the case. So I love watching first class reviews on YouTube. A little strange, I know. And so I gave you guys a little rundown of our first class experience. I just thought it would be fun to capture, and it's what I find intriguing. So enjoy the video, and I will see you very shortly in another one. Bye guys! So we're checking in at the airport. We're leaving, sadly. We've had such an amazing time, but we have to head home because we booked tickets to Rufus on Friday, which, for us. But so we thought we were flying business, which is already an extreme luxury for us. But our tickets actually said first class, so they've taken us into this special room and they're checking us in, and we've been given waters. And I'm dressed like an absolute bum. This is just like so not us. First things first, we get taken through our own private security area straight after the baggage. Okay, so we have just come down the escalators to business class straight from the security, so we didn't have to walk through anything, and now we've been informed, thank you, that there is a buggy picking us up. So we're jumping on our buggy, apparently going somewhere.
The first class lounge.
What? Literally, like, didn't have to do anything. We walked straight through. People were taking our bags for us. Like, I don't know if this is just in Thailand, because obviously I've not done first class anywhere else, but this is just nuts. This service is insane. I've never been on an airport buggy. This feels so weird. Okay, Yui. Oh my god, stop. Zoom! We're like in the lounge. We're like, woo, bye suckers!
Definitely gonna hold it.
I know. She's got our own room. We are like really in shock. Oh my god, what is our lives? Very, very lucky. This is like almost funny. I can't believe it. This is nuts. We have our own room. Like, what is this? So we're having a Bloody Mary. Daisy's the only other person in this universe that agrees with me that Bloody Marys are the bomb. Hello, Daisy.
I'm just gonna be doing this the whole flight.
I know, I'll just wake up and Daisy will just be there like, hello. And given a chocolate on arrival and some champagne.
Wow.
Oh wow. Don Perignon. Wow.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow smoke